Hey guys, what's happening? How to track expenses with Frollo, Australia's best budget app. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and you're gonna just search for Frollo. Frollo. Right? And you're gonna download the app. And after you downloaded the app, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just open it up. Okay? And you're gonna go ahead and hit next, and you're gonna register with an email. Okay? Just go ahead and register. And I'm gonna add my email right here to sign up using my account, right? And then I'm gonna enter a powerful password. So go ahead and click register. And of course you're gonna accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to read it thoroughly. Okay. And allow notifications for Frollo. And you're gonna check your email. Right? So I'm gonna check my email. I'm gonna confirm that this is my email. Okay, you're gonna hit right here, confirm. Okay, you're gonna see right here you confirmed your email. So I'm gonna go back to the app. Okay, it says right here that Frollo app will be unavailable from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Thursday 27th. Okay, so I'm gonna hit OK, hit finish. And I'm gonna use facial recognition right here to confirm, and then I'm gonna just create a passcode. Okay, and then hit finish. Okay, enter the first name and the last name. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna connect your accounts. No bank credentials are stored on your phone or with Frollo. They cannot make changes to your financial accounts, approve payments, or transfer funds. They don't share your personal data with anyone, and they, basically secure your account. And of course, you're gonna add or select a provider to link, right? Select or securely view all of your accounts across different providers in one place, right? You're gonna connect, let's say, this, okay? And you're gonna continue, right? And then you're gonna go ahead and confirm that you want to grant Follo access for 3 months, right? And give them the data that they need, like account balance and details and transaction details, right? And of course you're gonna see the key details. Go ahead and move along. And now they want you to get connected, right? So you're gonna connect your account, obviously, to Frollo, right? So of course you're gonna connect your provider to Follow in order to do that, and afterwards you're gonna track. You're gonna be able to track expenses and transactions after connecting to your provider. Okay, so basically the app provides AI-driven suggestions to help you save money and improve financial habits. And after you sign up and everything and confirm to your provider, Follo makes budgeting effortless by automating expenses tracking and giving you a clear financial picture after you give them access to your balance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.